Hi, Miss Wilma.
Hi, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Wilma Sisig,
How old are you?
44 years old,
What's your marital status?
married.
Do you have a kids?
I have 2 kids.
Who will take care of your kids when you work abroad?
My parents.
Do you have any experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have work experience.
What country?
Muscat, Oman, and Saudi Arabia.
What are your main duties as a helper?
Household chores, taking care of the kids, cleaning, and cooking.
Do you need to send the kids to school?
Yes,
Are you prepared to send the children to school if you need to?
yes, sir.
Are you willing to eat Chinese food when you are here?
Definitely, sir.
What would you do if you feel homesick?
If I feel homesick, I make myself busy, and when I have time, vacant time, I call my parents and my kids to relieve my homesick.
If your day off is not a Sunday, are you willing to take the job?
Yes, sir.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats or any other pets?
No, sir.
Are you willing to Are you willing to also take care of pets like walking the dog daily?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to put down your phone and promise not to use it for personal reason during your working hours?
Yes, sir.
What would you do if the employer gets angry at you when you make a mistake?
I will say sorry and tell my employer that I will not do it again.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
And except of the high salary, Hong Kong is the safest place I want to work.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my madam and sir wants my service.
Say a few words to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am and sir. If you given me a chance to work in Hong Kong, I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and finish my contract. I will love and treat your kids as my own and teach them a good character. Thank you and God bless.